Hello, Body Candy babes. It is Allie, and as you can see, I'm in my comfies for the night. It is Wednesday, January 30th, 2019, and I have been currently snowed into my house for about a day and a half, and tomorrow's not looking very good right now either. So I figured it was a good time to film this video. Today, as you are watching this, you are opening an email called The Tea that was sent to you from me. How did that happen? It's because I listened to all of your feedback from Instagram. Earlier this month, I did a poll and I asked some questions and I asked for some feedback. And one of the big things we got back was, really honestly, you guys wanted to see pictures of me or other people wearing jewelry, giving you tips on how to style jewelry. So that's what we're gonna do. Each week, this email is going to come to you, I think on Thursdays, as of right now. And that is going to bring you a coupon. It's gonna bring you your styling tips, pictures of people wearing different jewelry, all sorts of questionnaires, blogs, videos like this, informational things, stuff that you guys are asking for. So I hope that you're super excited. If you are not already following us on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, all of those things, you are messing up. We are at BodyCandy on Twitter and Instagram. We are bodycandy.com on Snapchat. We are on youtube.com/bodycandybodyjewelry. And of course, our website is bodycandy.com. So if you're interested in shopping our huge selection, over 80,000 pieces and products available to you, available to ship to your door. We ship worldwide. We have so many awesome things. So now that we've been bringing you all these different subscriptions and stuff like that, this is just like another awesome perk just for being a customer.